guys, it's Cherry and it's currently 10:30 in the evening, and as you can hear it's raining, and I'm just making this sit-down video just to share with you guys my say about globalization and miniature of Earth. So these two topics is very interesting about globalization and miniature of Earth. I've watched two videos about that topic, and first we will talk about globalization. So as the years goes by, globalization has evolved. Every day we experience globalization by the means of worldwide movement of people, money, ideas, businesses, and etc. It is a word that is used to describe the growing interdependence of the world's economies, cultures, the population that is brought by the cross-border trade in goods and services, technology, and flows of investment, people, and information. So, globalization touches every part of our lives, from the product we buy to the food we eat, and the ways we communicate with one another. For example, the way people communicate with each other. Before, people uses writing letters just to send message to their loved ones in far away from them, like people who is working abroad. People here in the Philippines write letters just to send their message to their loved ones in abroad. But because of globalization, people nowadays just communicate through technology, through the use of technology, like video calls, Skype, so you can see your loved ones through or via technology. So this made the world feel like a smaller place, as you could instantly talk to anyone, anywhere in real time. Another example is through exchange of goods and services between nations. One of that is trading. Trading is a practice of the society before, and now trading has expanded due to the improvements of transportation, political stability, and cooperation. So exchanges of goods and services, it evolves, right? Because many transportation are now evolving nowadays. Next is globalization also brings both positive and negative impacts on international business because of the rise in competition and rise in investment levels. Whereas the negative impacts are the culture effect and also create more social problems, child labor, and slavery, as well as environmental issues. So, globalization aims to benefit individuals around the world by making market more efficient and spreading wealth more equally. So, no matter which side you're on, globalization is simply a reality of modern life. Therefore, it's important to understand how it affects us and the choices we make. We should make our choices easy. Next topic we will talk about is miniature of Earth. So, when we say miniature, it is a very small in size. So, in the video that I've watched, it says that what if the population of the world were reduced into a community of only 100 people? So these 100 people are divided with different culture, races. People live in urban, disabled person, gender, status in life, religion, and many more. So this video taught me how to appreciate every single thing a person could have. We as a human are responsible to do things that can be good on our earth. So that 100 people in a community, we still experience the same problems we are facing. If we do not know, if we do not do something to make our life better. In this world, wealth are not distributed properly. The only thing to make our life better is to strive hard. The same thing when we enter the world of business. At first, we will experience small problem, but if we plan it properly, doing some strategic management to make the business better, we can aim what a business aiming, and that is to have a bigger income. So in this earth we lived in, we have to protect and just to maintain the resources. So it is only fair that nature takes care of us by giving us air to breathe and food to survive, and so many resources to make life easy. We do not want the time to come when our natural world could feel it, because it does not need to take care of us and live as our own means, which we do not have. So appreciate what you have and do your best for a better world. So that's all for this evening, guys. Hope you liked it.